Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create currency heart dress on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have joined Dress to Impress, and then first of all, you need to go to this area and you can pick this dress, this one, and you can add glitter to this dress. You can click on this icon and you can glitter it. Just click on glitter, and then you're going to go to the skirt area. Wait, I'm going to go to the skirt area here, and then grab the skirt, and you need to color it the same with the previous dress. I'm going to go to the color wheel to show you the color code. Okay, you can color it this one guys. I'm going to show you the code. This is the code that I'm using right now. Alright, and don't forget to make it a glitter. Wait, I'm going to add glitter as well to the skirt. Alright, and then we're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to get sleeve from Madoka set. Wait, I'm gonna go to the dressing room here. I'm going to enter it and I'm going to go to the Madoka set. Wait, okay, you can use this sleeve and color it the same. Okay, just like this, and don't forget to make it glitter. Okay, and I'm going to show you the final result guys. Okay, this is how the dress looks like, and I'm sorry because I think there is an error. I have made it glitter, but the glitter is not showing up. But it will be so pretty if the glitter can appear here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create currency heart dress on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.